Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long again today. We've got some mushrooms and cheese on toast, nice little snack. So in that pan I've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, change the oil if you want. 1 cup of onion, I've sliced that. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon of chopped garlic on a medium heat. Let's cook that just for about 3 to 4 minutes. I've got about 2 cups of fresh mushrooms there. You can see how I've cut them, fairly thick, I think. So what we're going to do is add a little bit, a little pinch of thyme I'm using, and a little bit of sweet paprika. Again, we're going to stay on the medium heat, go for about another 4 minutes. These mushrooms are done. We're going to pop them on some toast. So easy. So here we go, I've got a couple of sliced bits of toast here, lightly toasted. Just going to place those mushrooms and the onions on. Then I'm going to grab some cheddar cheese. I'm going to put a little bit on, put as much or as little on as you like really. Pop it under the grill, couple of minutes, you know what we're looking for. I love this really beautiful little snack. Anyway, keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.